Yes, man, I'm good toasting there right here on Hype It Up. We always bring you the best show on this side of the world, man, on this side of the country. And right about now, we have the most, talented, the most, stylish, or the most well-spoken brother of the Xhosa nation. I'm a Xhosa, is always, I'm proud.
The real one.
Good morning, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
In the Xhosa, kanye kuthi bana Xhosa mhlambe basifike ezindaweni mhlambe ku-gatherings into azithumthangeni sesithupha alosithupha phuthu ngathini
well ngokuqasibele umbathana omtsha ukhanda nyama nomdzaba uphuma lo iphuma umhlaba waseNoka ngokwekhaya kukhulu lezalayo mina ke ngizalelwe eMthatha ngoba ukhulisa lapha eMdantsane so bengathi ngwaseMothi eMdantsane
chocho mbathane chocho
Umculo yena ke ngokwala Mbathane udibana naye phi nasana ngeliphi ixesha apho ekhuleni kwakho?
ngikhula umculo uhlala ukhona ngaphakathi kwethu ekhayeni kanje umakhulu besikhulise bengifundisikazi so besihlala ke ezicaweni kanti futhi sekusolo ukukhuluma lezo hymns utata ke wami yena ebelijoni but ebengumuntu okollecta kakhulu i-jazz music ne-classical music so behlala ekhala ngalo ixesha kanti into ezongena apha ko ngikhumbula ke ukhazini wami usibongile ngaxa esithi noba ngibethela isikolo lapha kanti ngiqonile ngaloo isikolo ngithi ngibe ngicula so ke bona udala bayiqaphela loo nto kanti into zokhula ke ide iphuhle ngam
so umculo wakho ukhule kukhaya kumculo khona and wahamba ufundela umculo tell me about the journey
ndiye ndathi ke uphuma kwami ku-matric ndafunda i-sound engineering that's the first introduction into kwami professional in the space of music apha eCape Town ndifunda eCape Cod College so ndasebenza ke for a while producing umculo with artists around bezenze rap hip hop and stuff so when I felt limited in terms of this sound, the differentiation in sound, because producers started sounding the same for me in that time, so I thought I wanted to be different. Let me find a different soundscape altogether to produce from. And then when immediately I think of that, this instrument just came up, popped up in the TV, and it was playing, and then that's when I realized that that's the kind of sound I'm looking for. And when I researched then, I went all the way to find these instruments at Forte University. So immediately I decided to enroll and study about them. So then I started to get Bachelor of Arts in Music at Forte, whereby I must teach African music, including choral and opera. So we will learn
So music and talent is more of an effortless thing for some people. But when you're taking it upon yourself to also equip yourself with education, how important do you think it is for an artist to have that form of background? Or is it important at all?
It's very important. Music, like any other industry, it is an industry like any other. And there are portfolios that you play, so you need to qualify on something.
Yeah.
So I believe it's very important that you get trained well in everything that you do.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the album, Spruce Sam.
Yes.
That's out right now. Usebenze nabani kuyo and how do you describe as a musician?
Okay, well, I define the music I do Kandi music. This instrument here is called Kandi or when you pluck it. And can I just
pluck
it for you?
Please.
Pluck it. And then when you pluck it, it will give you a tone Kandi.
Okay.
You see?
Okay.
So there is a 10 sound that is made by Kandi. It's called Kandi. So
are you blowing into something here?
there's no blowing, but you just suck it
It's
in.
just the plucking that's
there's overtones, yes, because when you pluck the string, it vibrates.
Yeah.
The vibrations travel through the stick, and then the mouth becomes the resonator and the amplifier. So now I can amplify these tones out there and actually control the melodies and harmonies that I want to produce at any given time, so I can create a song.
Amazing stuff. And also, you make these instruments yourself.
Yes. I make these instruments, yes, after I've learned about them at Forte. I realized when I wanted to have one, I couldn't buy it from a music store. So now I realized that kuzobekisela young people. They will get inspired when they see me play this, and then they would like to go access it somewhere, but it's not there. So kuyobaluleka into asizenze zibe ningi. Abantu bemfunda nabo esikolweni besingenazo ezinsuku, so that we have to make for ourselves so that we can be able to learn from them. So ke ndaqonda kubalulekile into yoba iqhubekeke, and ndizama into yoba ndifikelele kwi-goals eziyi-10 million. And in the next 5 or to 10 years,
Amazing.
I'm going to try to get there.
Amazing.
Yeah.
There's so much to talk about. I feel like our time is very limited. I want to talk about the instruments. I also want to speak about the music. I also want to speak about the projects that you've done. Your music has been featured on amazing, amazing platforms.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
Well, you know, as a producer composer, I've worked with quite a number of other bands. You know, people would remember a lady by the name of Mtwagazi.
Oh, love her. Yes.
Mtwagazi is one lady I've worked with as a composer and also as a performer. I performed with her also. And I was part of another band which is called Utaba, which was composed of Sakile Mulishe, Dino Pule, who is known as Ingwe, and Sibusiso Myanda, Pumelela Lapisa, and myself, we were there. And only recently, I had one other rap project actually I've done, which we go by the name Easy to Music Cloud. We released our first album in 2006, for which only this year we are releasing a second one. So for the first time, I released my own solo album, which was released earlier this year in January. And so I managed actually I work as a producer. I have my own record label, so I recorded my own music, and yes, I put it out there. It's on iTunes right now. On Google
That's
Play.
what you want to get. Briefly. Where can people get hold of your music?
Well, you can follow my social media space, you know, because that's where you're going to get every other information about me out there. And on Facebook, you can follow me at Luyolo Lenga Music, and on Twitter at Luyolo Lenga, and on Instagram at Luyolo Lenga Music.
Okay.
And,
thank you so much for coming to the show.
Thank you guys for hosting me.
And right about now, and on the other side of this, we're also going to have him perform right here on the show. So you better make sure you don't go anywhere. Let's quickly talk more on the other side of this.